So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video we are gonna covering some of the great topics that you can go and search using like Art and Eros model. Yeah, this time I'm going with Art and Eros model, and these are some of the great topics that you can go and cover with this model. So let's get started with like first topic. So the first thing that you can go and generate using Art and Eros model is something like this colorful robotic models. Like you can definitely see that Art and Eros can generate something great images like this. As you can see over here, these are the images that I generated using Art and Eros model, and you can get good results with Art and Eros model. So these are the images that I generated, and yes, enjoy these images guys. Similar to that, if you don't want to generate like robotic characters, then you can also go on and generate like human head structures like this. As you can see over here, human head structures with something beautiful, and yeah, definitely the images here are also amazing. So you can also cover these types of images in like Art and Eros model. As you can see the images over here, yeah, they are definitely amazing, and you can go and generate with something like this and robotic style like head and structures like this. So this is the second topic that I'm gonna show you, and yeah, these are the images that I generated with using Art and Eros model. And the next thing that I'm gonna talk about is that if you are bored with like robotic and futuristic thing, then yes, you can go on to like ancient and castle like things. As you can see over here, this is the next topic that I'm covering, and yes, the image generated are literally amazing by Art and Eros model. As you can see over here, these are the images that I got with like castle things and like ancient type theme. It's definitely amazing, and yeah, very detailed images here as well. So enjoy the images guys. So this is the third topic that I'm gonna tell you that you can cover with like Art and Eros model as well. Yeah, pretty much interesting I can say. And related to these things, if you want to generate like pirate ships and all, like ancient pirate ships and all, then yes, you can go with this topic as well with like Art and Eros model. And you can see these are the images that I generated with using Art and Eros model, and yeah, they are definitely amazing. So these are like ancient like looking like pirate ships, and you can see over here, yes, the results are literally amazing over here as well. So yes, you can cover this topic as well with using Art and Eros model as well. And one more thing that I want to cover with this topic is that if you are bored with like ancient and like robotic themes, like futuristic thing, then you can go and generate like interior designs and like dreamy living room type themes and all, like hall room or bedroom and these types of thing. As you can see over here, yeah, Art and Eros can generate these type of things as well, and yeah, the results are pretty much amazing. As you can see over here, these are the images that I generated with using different colors on like bedrooms, hall rooms and all. So these are the images that I generated with using Art and Eros model. And yes, I can definitely say that you can go and try so many different things in like Art and Eros model. Just like this, you can also try in different model as well. You can definitely get good amount of result. As you have already said that I've already shown you some of the topics that I generated today using this model, Art and Eros model, and yes, it was definitely amazing. So these were the result that I got with this Art and Eros model. And yes, that's it for today. I hope so guys you like this video, and we will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.